Have you heard the one about Mr. Khan's parrot? He bought this parrot, bragging to everyone. This bird is a genius. It talks a mile a minute. So, one day a guest comes over and asks the parrot, "Hey there, how are you?" Absolute silence. The parrot just stares. Mr. Khan gets all flustered, whispering, "Talk. You never shut up at home." The parrot looks him dead in the eye and says, "At home, nobody asks stupid questions." The room erupts in laughter. The guest tries again. "All right, smarty pants, can you sing?" The parrot replies, "Of course, but only after I've had my tea." So, Mr. Khan rushes to get the tea. The parrot takes a sip, then yawns and says, "Sorry, I'm feeling a bit sleepy now." Mr. Khan, totally fed up, yells, "You are useless." The parrot just cocks its head and says, "No, I'm very smart. I just don't work without a salary." Even the guest had to admit this parrot was smarter than most people. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.